Hello po. Nanalo ako.
What did I do to my past life to suffer like this?
Nagfo-float na pa sa mga nagpa-parade na may float. Nasali, kami ng candy. Ang paalam namin, mag-register for SSS sa school. Pero, ang nakuha namin is candy. Hello po. Nanalo ako.
Again, yes, where is the complete?
And she won as well. Yes, tata. And I look great.
Making me hate you, probably think it's painful, but really I'm grateful. I think I've seen this before. This is the part where you say you want me to. I say I love you, then you go act a fool. That's how the story goes, just wanna let you know. No need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one to let you anymore. It hurts me to the core. I'm what you look for. It's not overdue. You 402 deja vu. I thought I was psycho for you. Play tricks with my mind like voodoo. Might be a danger to you, but that ain't old news. Delusional clues. That's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know. No need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one to let you anymore. It hurts me to the core. What do you look for? It's not overdue. You 402 deja vu. You anymore. It hurts me to the core. What do you look for? It's not overdue. You told me to come through. Deja Vu Avenue. Deja Vu. Deja Vu.
It's Saturday and nag-decide akong maglinis ng bahay, ng kwarto. And isipan ko rin mag-journal na kasi sa Monday, tapos na yung OJT ko, bali Tuesday onwards. Ang gagawin ko na lang is yung mga need or yung mga hinihingi ni din. Tapos naisipan kong mag-journal na. Ayun. Ito na original ko. Hindi naman original, pero parang pinaka-una kong journal notebook. Kasi dito ko lahat ibinos. Lahat ng pain, lahat ng happy moments. And while reading this, yung pinakaunang journal dito is about Lilias pa. 2021 pa to. Tapos 2024 na. Naiyak lang ako sa part na nagbe-break ang broken. Wala lang. The bruises left in my heart will never fade away. If this is the way of settling the sinner in a past life, give me enough courage to terminate it. Then I started to ask the world, what did I do to my past life to suffer like this? How many individuals did I hurt to be in this level of pain? How many hearts did I shatter to be this broke? How many times did I run away to be left by many? How many coffees did I rejected to be addicted to coffee? How happy I am before to be unhappy. Am I too lucky in my previous life to be unlucky at present? Oh my God, my early 20s. Today I am not okay, but this music reminds me of my broken days and how I used to heal myself. Losing interest to the things we used to do before is fine. At least we find a way to come back. July 17, 2021, Saturday. Yung song is yung sa album na Love Yourself Answer. Yung single ni Jean na Epiphany. I feel emotional. There's something in my mind that makes me sad in just a second. I asked my friend to hang out with me, but none of them accepted it. Then I realized, maybe I should stop prioritizing them.